evening and welcome to this evening's Equity Market Wrap. My name is Lisa Pallavi Barbora. It was a very lackluster day of trade today, and it seems that the start of the new year hasn't been very good for the equity market. Today the markets opened in the red and remained there throughout the day. The news flow also wasn't very positive, with the HSBC Services PMI coming in at 46.7, which is lower than the previous month. In fact, this index has been falling for the last 5 to 6 months, and anything below 50 does indicate a contraction. Today the Sensex finished at 20,787 and the Nifty closed at 6191. Both indices were down around 0.3%. If you look at the broader markets, it is the defensives which held up. So the BSE FMCG index and the healthcare index both were up around 0.5%. On the other hand, interest rate sensitives declined today. The BSE Realty index was down around 0.7% and the BankX fell around 1.1%. Banking stocks are under pressure as the inflation expectation is pretty high, which means that the likelihood of interest rates being lowered from here is pretty low as well. 2013 we started out thinking that interest rates will be lowered, and hence banking stocks did see somewhat of a rally, but that seems to have come to an end now. If you look at some of the major stocks, Bank of India was down around 3.4%. Also Bank of Baroda fell around 1.8%. Among private sector banks, ICICI Bank was down around 2.5% and Yes Bank fell around 1% today. Among other stocks, Tata Motors was in the news as the JLR sales for the month of December came in better than expected. That stock was up around 1.1%. Other than that, was really a trader's market today. For example, if you look at some of the mid-cap names, high beta stocks rallied quite sharply despite a subdued mood in the market. So names like Financial Technologies, Core Education, Orient Paper were all up 10% today. Coming back to the Sensex names, other than ICICI Bank, Tata Power was down around 2.6% and SBI fell around 1.6%. On the other hand, on the gaining side, ONGC was up around 1.9% and Sun Pharma gained around 1.4%. That's all from me. Do log on to livemint.com for more details. Thank you.